Alright, I got a couple of new Zippos for the dark side. Let's take a quick look at them. Alright, these are genuine Zippos. Come in the old black Zippo case. And the first one is, I think it's called a Flaming Skull. No, it's called a Burinng Skull. This is on a black matte case. That's the Burinng Skull, and it was made in J of 12, which is, I think that's October of 12. The Burinng Skull, this goes to the dark side for sure. Got a real good Zippo sound. Zippo click. Okay, the next one is another genuine Zippo, and it's called I See You. Pretty cool dark side Zippo here. And this was made in E of 07, so that's about 6 years old. And I think E of 07 is June of 07, but that is definitely a dark side Zippo. So there's a couple of new Zippos for the dark side of my collection. And ammo prices are still high, so don't expect a warning shot. Knuckle bump.